Hi, it's Jamie from Curtain Design here. Today I wanted to talk to you about the wave pleat curtain. It's a fantastic, relaxed and contemporary look. It's perfect for modern homes. There's no gathering or bunching, it's just a lovely soft wave of the fabric along the entire width of the curtain. Ideally we hang this below a curtain rod or track, and the magic happens on the back where we have a tape which holds it all together and controls how big each wave is. It's a simple and elegant style and it's perfect for your home. It's great on shears and also works perfect on pattern fabrics where we don't end up losing any of the pattern because there's no tucks or pleats or any sewn in marks. The other beauty about this is if you are considering the eyelet curtains, then this is a fantastic alternative that does allow us to use more brackets on the track so we can span greater widths than an eyelet curtain can. If you'd like to learn anything more about curtains, blinds or shutters, feel free to contact us or take a look at any of our other videos.